Hello guys, good afternoon guys. So now guys, we are here in the BMW 740i. Okay, so I think 2014 model, straight 6 engine GDI. Okay, so now guys, I will show you. Uh, I already removed the pipe for the water auxiliary water pump and then to turbo. Okay, so I want to show you how to remove. Okay, this is the old one. This is the old one pipe, and this is the new one. So the problem before, this part is the auxiliary pump. So this is new. This elbow is to or auxiliary water pump, and the old one is damaged, cut here because it's almost a plastic, and the plastic not good like this. And then the plastic cut this side. Okay, so now this is the new, this is the old, and we have a 1 volt here, Allen T30. Okay, so now how do I remove? The position of this pipe is like this. This is now I show you the actual. I remove it's already removed, and after I fix, I'll show you where is the location, or where is the place. Okay, now the position example is like this. This hole is have a Allen small T30. Okay, star Allen in the backside for the engine, and this pipe is to going to turbo. Okay, so now you see I already removed the exhaust. You cannot access this pipe if you did not remove the exhaust manifold, okay, or the catalytic need to remove. And if you remove the catalytic, so it's easy to access the clip for the hose. And then in this backside of the engine, it's easy to remove the Allen. Not difficult. Okay, before I think I need to remove the engine because the pipe is going from here, is going to there in the back in the engine, and coming in the connection for the turbo. So but when I try my best, I see the pipe, so I try to remove the catalytic, so I can access the clip. So now I already removed the old. So easy, and not difficult. Before I'm thinking that I need to remove the old engine because of this pipe. But now very good because I remove without remove the engine. Okay, so now I fix the new, and I will show you after I fix. So now we have new clips already, and this is for the heat protection for the pipe. Okay, so we have 4 parts I need to replace this pipe. Okay, this pipe, and engine oil filter housing with the engine cooler, oil cooler. So assembly. We have already new parts. So I want to fix this first because this is first fix, and then the housing, and then the elbow for this upper radiator hose. Okay, and the auxiliary pump also. Okay, so now guys, first I clean this side, and then I will show you after I fixing or what parts I replace. Okay, so now I will fix this first, the new water pipe from auxiliary to turbo. Okay guys, I will update you later guys. So okay guys, so this is the parts, new parts for this car, for this BMW 740i. So this is the new parts ready to fix. So this is the engine oil filter housing with assembly to the engine oil cooler. Okay, and this is the electric motor water pump. It's electric, and this is the elbow, new one. This is the old one. I already replaced. I already fixed the old hose. This is old hose. I fixed in the new elbow, and this the old sensor. I from this elbow. This is the old. From this I take, and then I fix this to this. Okay. So now, I already clean. And then I fix these parts. Okay. Let's go. Okay, guys. So this is I already fixed. Only the ATIC manifold not yet. Tomorrow. Okay. So now I fix the electric water pump. So this is the socket, and this is the pipe, new assembly, and then the elbow, new, and this oil filter housing with the engine oil cooler. Okay. So I fix also the upper radiator hose. So only this hose for the intake side, and this is the intake. So tomorrow I fix because now we don't have time. Okay. And I put also a sinkable hose, or no, uh, what do you call this, PCV hose for electric hose. I don't know what is the name of this. Okay, because damaged. Now I put a new one. Okay, so tomorrow we need to fix the intake, exhaust, the cooler, and then let's see. Okay, guys, update guys. Okay, guys, so now guys I show you. Oh, this is the place for the exhaust or the catalytic. So I already removed. If you see, that is the turbo. That is the turbo. I already removed the exhaust pipe, the catalytic. See? Okay. Now, this is the pipe, the new one, and this is the connection going to turbo. Okay, so you cannot access this pipe if you did not remove the catalytic. So need to remove the catalytic. You can access that pipe, and you can remove from the upside. Okay. So now I fix this pipe and fix the catalytic. Okay. So guys, good morning, good afternoon. So now guys, I have video how I show you how to check the engine oil level for this BMW 2016 model 740i series 7 series. Okay. So because this car or this engine they don't have a dipstick, engine oil dipstick for checking the oil level. So I have video what is the procedure. But the display is Arabic, but I have video. I make translate for the Arabic to English. Okay, so thank you guys. Just see the video and the procedure. Thank you.